subscribe.
The tiger. Where do tigers live in the wild? Tigers can live in a range of environments, including the Siberian taiga, swamps, grasslands, and also rainforests. They can be found anywhere from the Russian Far East to parts of North Korea, China, India, and Southwest Asia to the Indonesian island of Sumatra. What do tigers eat? Tigers eat large prey, animals like deer and wild pigs, though they make exceptions for some small animals, including porcupines. After consuming what they can of their prey, tigers hide animal carcasses from scavengers so they can return to them later. How many types of tiger are there? Most classifications separate the tiger species into 6 subspecies. These include the Siberian tiger, the Bengal tiger, the Sumatran tiger, the Indo-Chinese tiger, the South China tiger, and the Malayan tiger. How long do tigers live? The average lifespan of a tiger in the wild is about 11 years. In captivity there, lifespan is about 20 to 25 years. The wolf. What are the different types of wolves? In addition to the well-known gray wolf Canis lupus, other types of wolves include the red wolf, the eastern wolf, the Ethiopian or Abyssinian wolf, the extinct Falkland Islands or Antarctic wolf, and the extinct dire wolf. How many wolves are there in a pack? Wolves can live in packs of up to 24 individuals, but groups numbering 6 to 10 are most common. A pack is a family group consisting of an adult breeding pair, the alpha male and alpha female, and their offspring of various ages. How big is a wolf pack's territory? A wolf pack's territory can be 80 to 3,000 square km, 31 to 1,200 square miles, depending on prey abundance. What is the lifespan of a wolf? Wolves can live up to 13 years in the wild, but most die long before that age. Wolves can live up to 13 years in the wild, but most die long before that age. In areas of high wolf density and declining prey populations, the major causes of death are killing by other wolves and starvation. How are wolves related to dogs? Wolves Canis lupus were first domesticated in northern Eurasia, sometime between 14,000 and 29,000 years ago. Breeding occurs between February and April, and a litter of usually 5 or 6 pups is born in the spring after a gestation period of about 2 months. The young are usually born in a den consisting of a natural hole or a burrow, often in a hillside. Be kind to all pets and pets because they will be kind back to you. Wesley Porter.